Hi there and welcome to Bakemas 2024. Again, we are doing gifts in jars. If you've been with me the past year or 2 years, December is for gifts in jars, consumable gifts. We're doing desserts. This year I have at least 2 savory mixes in jars. So today for Bakemas Day 1, we are doing a red velvet cookie mix in a jar. You're going to need your 1 quart mason jar. I'll leave all of my jars and my funnel linked down below for you guys. And if you've been with me for the past couple Bakemasses, I would just like to make it known that I have finally purchased a wide mouth funnel instead of using foil. So you can just fold up some foil, curl it around, and use that as a funnel. I did see the source for this recipe, which is cul-de-sac-cool.com, and I will link that down below. They said that you can take a plastic cup, or you could use a paper cup, and cut the bottom out of it and use that as your wide mouth funnel. So we're going to take, I have a 13.25 ounce boxed red velvet cake mix. We're gonna pour that into the bottom of our quart-sized mason jar. I'm gonna shake it level, but also I'm gonna push it down a little bit. We have a bag of white baking morsels that we're going to need to fit on top of the cake mix. So make room. There's quite a bit of air in a cake mix, so you can pack it down quite a bit and then just smooth out the top. The fun thing about the gifts in jars is seeing the nice layers that you can get between all the ingredients. And this jar just has 2 ingredients that we're adding. So we're gonna try and get those layers nice. Then I have an 11-ounce bag of white baking morsels. If your bag is 12 ounces, that should be just fine. And look at that, perfect, perfect. And then pop your lid right on, and that is your gift in a jar. So simple, so quick. The original recipe for these red velvet cookies is from the Frugal Girls. And so what Cul-de-Sac Cool has done for us is created a printable label for the front, just to say red velvet cookie mix. And then on the back, there's another printable for the instructions on how to make these red velvet cookies. Slap a bow on this, slap your labels on, and quick, easy, simple, consumable gift in a jar. So there you have it, 2 simple ingredients. Again, all the ingredients, the instructions, the printable labels will be down below in the description for you guys. Be sure to subscribe so that you're notified when all the rest of the Bakemas 2024 episodes drop. Give this video a big thumbs up if this is a gift that you would consider giving. And if you're interested to see last year's Bakemas ideas, go ahead, click here on screen for the Bakemas 2023 playlist.